So hey guys, this as you can see is a brand new Casio G-Shock or a Casio G-Shock if you like. So yeah, really excited about the watch. I've been dreaming about having this watch since I don't know 6 to 7 months, maybe have passed. So yeah, among a lot of designs from the G-Shock range, this is the one I chose, and I am very happy with it. It's a very striking watch and looks so cool because it's like all black, sorry, with a bit of red in it. I wish it had just a bit more red. And also the white tiles, the design of that just looks so awesome actually. Very different from the other watches that you get from the market. And also the ruggedness of the watch and the iconicness of the watch is what played a huge role actually in the purchase of this watch. So thank you G-Shock for making this, and it's a sort of lifetime watch, and I'm just very happy that I bought it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.